Welcome to the Central Dogma, or as we call it, biology's game of telephone. We're going to explore how your cells follow a set of instructions or code to make everything that is you. The Central Dogma has 3 golden rules. First, transcription. DNA makes RNA. It's like copy-pasting a recipe. Second, translation. RNA makes protein, turning that recipe into the final product. Third, no going back. Once you make a protein, you can't turn it back into DNA. DNA is the master blueprint, the grumpy librarian that stays locked inside the nucleus. It's a double helix, a twisted ladder, and it only uses 4 letters: A, T, C, and G. Fun fact, DNA is incredibly long. If you unraveled the DNA in just one cell, it would be 2 meters long. Imagine unraveling all your DNA. It would reach the sun and back multiple times. The first phase is transcription, the photocopy phase. Since DNA can't leave the nucleus, it makes a disposable copy called mRNA. It's like taking a photo of a recipe so you don't have to carry the heavy cookbook. Meet the RNA squad. mRNA is the messenger, sending an email from the nucleus to the factory floor. tRNA is the transfer guy, acting like a cellular Uber driver bringing amino acids. And rRNA is the ribosomal worker. It literally is the factory where everything gets built. Next is translation, the 3D printing phase, happening in the ribosome kitchen. The ribosome reads the mRNA and builds a protein chain using amino acids. Ribosomes are fast, adding 20 amino acids per second, creating functional proteins like hair, muscle, or enzymes. The cell reads mRNA in triplets called codons. Each codon, a 3-letter text, means add this specific amino acid. There are also stop codons to signal when it's finished. With 64 possible codes for only 20 amino acids, biology has backup codes for everything. Proteins are truly the everything of life. Without them, you'd just be a very organized pile of salt and water. Now for a plot twist, retroviruses. These hackers use reverse transcriptase to turn RNA back into DNA, violating the no going back rule. Fun fact, about 8% of your DNA is ancient viral spam. Let's compare DNA and RNA. DNA, the golden child, is double-stranded and exists forever. RNA, the messy one, is single-stranded, goes everywhere, and gets recycled quickly. DNA uses thymine T. RNA uses uracil U. That concludes our video on the Central Dogma. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments.